Nandyan na yung mga nagpakain ng dog and nakakuha ba kaya sila nung hinahanap kong. Let us see. Dahon ng saging. Dahon ng saging, Marco. Oh, ito na guys. See? Ito ang dahon ng saging. Yes, tuloy. Tuloy ang Pasko namin. Tuloy ang suman. Ang tinupig. And the gasol. Sinigurado na. May pangluto na. Oh my God. Thank you Lord. Thank you Lord. Meron akong pangkakanin. Ayun. Here you are. Dito ko pala nilagay yun. These are my flowers. Okay, bumili ako ng rice flour for my kare-kare. That is for my kare-kare. And I have here my glutinous flour, rice flour for my tinupig. Yan. Yan guys. Ito ang binili ko para sa tinupig. So, complete. Glutinous flour and the coconut. Yan lang, and sugar. Then, ang pambalot. Then, sesame seeds. And buko. Kakaiba guys. Sa probinsya natin noon, ang flame doon sa labas ng bahay para mag ng saging. Ngayon, porque medyo mahirap pumunta na sa labas, dito na lang.
Oil ng
ganun din naman, di para makaraos, makagawa ng pambalot ng tinupig. Eto, saging.
Tutubumbong.
Tsaka suman. Yan. Yeah. It's already Christmas. Christmas time is already here. Yeah. Christmas. Happy Christmas. Yan na, Christmas na. Yes! Gagawi kami. Gagawa kami ng tinupig. You know what is tinupig? Tinupig is an Ilocano sweets. Ilocano rice cake that is wrapped in coconut leaves or even banana leaves. It can be with the malagkit is a glutinous rice flour that will be mixed with coconut milk. What I do is I modify this tinupig with sesame seeds. Okay, yes, excited for my tinupig, my kind of tinupig. Yes. Happy?
Happy. Okay.
Christmas time is one time. Christmas time, it's tinupig time. Yay! Oh, Merry Christmas! Ho, 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 ho! You want tinupig? Do you want tinupig? You don't know what is tinupig, I know. Tinupig is a rice cake that is wrapped in this banana leaf. This is already the concentrated without sugar here. And then that is the second piga. Glutinous rice flour, 500 grams in 1 pack. So this must be 1 kilo. Yan, sarap. And this one, sangag ko muna para lumabas yung aroma nito for the mixture of this glutinous. To low fire. Low. just to let the aroma of the sesame seeds come out for my tinupig. Eating pakwan? Eating watermelon while cooking? Oh, good. Look at this. It's already brown, huh? Almost done. Just 2 minutes and it's done. Let it wait for the sesame seeds to be golden brown and it's done. Here, open this. Ayan. Now, ilagay ko dito. Kasya pa kaya dito? Tignan natin. Tansyahin natin. Okay, 1. Dalawa. Yan. Kasya naman. And then, sugar. Mix first. This must be 1 and 1/4 cup of sugar for this 1 kilo. Mas mabuti yung matamis for longer conservation. You must have to add more sugar. And then next is but we have to taste later the sweetness. Okay ba? So I have to put 1 cup of sesame seeds. Okay? Wow, ganda. Papunta ng sesame seeds. Wow, ganda. Sarap, no? Sarap. Another. Gusto ko maraming sesame seeds. To give the crunchiness of the tinupig and the smell. It will become a good smell, the aroma. The sesame seeds will help this tinupig to make it bono-bono. Bono-bono means yummy. See? Wow. Okay, now I will mix this is the concentrated milk, coconut milk here. This must be 1.5 cup of concentrated coconut milk. Okay, and then mix, just mix, and then 2 cups of the second squeezed coconut milk with water, with warm water. Excited na ako dito. Very nice, very exciting. Ang talap, ang amoy niya na nga lang eh, kasi yung sesame seeds, I love the smell of sesame. Guys, this is not the original ingredients. I modified it. I placed the sesame seed and then I cook this in a different way, because in the province they have the different system of cooking this delicacy. In the province they cook this without the sesame seeds. Maybe other people use the buko, the baby coconut, scrape baby coconut to make with the glutinous flour, and then they will dig a hole and place the charcoals, and then they light the charcoals till it will become grilling for this glutinous wrap for the tinupig, and then they cover it with a galvanized iron with the heated stone. Like that. But me, a modernized, modified Tinupig cooking. I have here MJ system of cooking of Tinupig. That. So now it is lacking the milk. I forgot the milk because it is modified. Oh my God, no more milk here. I am modifying this. So I am mixing this with fresh milk. See this? Hey, Alaska, finished. No more. Now, Magnolia, I have here. Magnolia, padala nyo kami. Okay. Maybe 1 glass. 1 cup. When you mix this, when you make this mixture, just you have to estimate consistency that can be wrapped by the banana leaves. Add the liquid like the coconut milk or the milk, fresh milk. Add slowly by slowly. Estimate it for the consistency of the mix. Let us taste. And then so 3 cups of refined sugar with this 1 kilo of, this can be easily glutinous rice flour. But be careful with the milk or the fresh milk or the coconut milk. Be careful when you add the sugar because the sugar, you must be careful. It will become liquid, you know, baka sumobra. Wrap well with the banana when it is very put much of the liquid of the fresh milk and the coconut milk. See guys? Come on! Exercise! To mix well, we do this. See that guys? Wow. Okay, yun na. Yeah. Mamma mia, yummy. No, even it's not cooked yet. My God, I want to eat. See? Oh, nice, di ba? And then, we will wrap it with the banana leaves. Then, we will roast it in the grilling, what do you call that? Griller. That one we bought in SM. Okay? Guys? Are you listening? Can you understand my English? As I've said always, I'm not American or Englishman, I'm Filipina. Just understand my English, okay? How I hope you will understand. I am speaking in English just for everybody to understand. Trying hard for you to understand my language. Okay guys, we are now processing this Tinupig. It's already mixed and it is done. Well, good taste because I've tasted. And we already tried to grill 2 pieces here. This is my grilling machine. This is done with electric. Okay, magbalot ng ganyan. Naging libangan na ng lakay. Okay, like that. Ang dami niyang babalutin at ang daming i-grill. Oh my gulay! Okay lang ba yan? Okay. Mamaya, kikita niyo. Okay ka lang dyan? Okay.
Okay lang. Okay lang po.
Okay lang po. Yan guys. Mamaya pag naluto, papakita namin sa inyo. Natikman namin yung isa. Ang sarap. Masarap guys. Wow! May pasalubong ako. Ano yan? What can you say about that? Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Wow! May pasalubong ang anak ko. Maganda pala pag namamasyal siya. May pasalubong. Pampataba. Pampataba naman yan anak ko. Ano ba yan? Okay. Tapos na. All done. All wrapped. Grill na lang. Wow! Ang happy Tinupig. Happy Tinupig. No more na. It's done.